All right, Josh Nichols joining us now, and I don't know about all of you at home, but I've just been wanting to go like this for most of the day. I mean, we can hear it. We're here in the studio, and we can hear the howling winds.
It's a roar. It's a relentless roar because of the caliber of wind gusts, close to hurricane force. And it's not just like one gust and then it settles down. It's just constant. The frequency of these gusts is really what's making this storm very challenging.
So when can we expect relief from the winds, at least?
I think this caliber of wind will start to settle down probably early afternoon tomorrow, a little bit. We've got many hours to go. The entire night, if the wind keeps you up,
sleep with earplugs. That's what I do.
Sleep with earplugs. Otherwise, just plan on a sleepless night indoors. These are the current wind gusts, 59 miles per hour in Buffalo. And again, we've seen gusts, even within the last few hours, in excess of 60 miles per hour in many spots. And these will continue through the night. So make no mistake about it. We are dealing with just outright blizzard conditions. Stay home, stay safe, stay warm, stay dry. Stay with us, and we will keep you posted. Lackawanna had a gust to 79 miles per hour. The Falls, a gust to 71. This is your hour-by-hour forecast for Saturday. What you see is what you get. Blizzard conditions will continue. Brutally cold weather will continue as well, and we'll see more accumulating lake snow. Hard to really peg down tallies because of all the blowing and drifting, but I easily think most of us get in on 1 to 3 feet of snow, and then the drifts will be a lot higher. Now, on Christmas Day, still going to be on the cold and windy side, but the band does head south. Again, still could be dealing with gusts close to 70 miles per hour, close to Genesee County between now and, say, Saturday morning. And again, 1 to 4 feet of snow with drifts so much higher. Well, those are those caliber of wind gusts that I was talking about here. Again, from Dunkirk to Batavia, Buffalo, maybe not as bad, but again, it's that corridor between Buffalo and Batavia that is just notorious for very strong and gusty winds, and that's going to be the case all the way through Saturday night. That's why it's good that the Thruway does not have any travel on it at this time. As if that was not enough, the double-digit sub-zero wind chills feels like 32 below right now in Jamestown. Will still feel like that midday tomorrow, like it's 15 to 25 degrees below zero. Snowfall tallies, well, from Hamburg to say Alden, we're looking at Saturday morning tallies on the order of 12 to 20 inches, and then there will be additional snows, especially to the south. And of course, if that wasn't enough, of course, dealing with that Seiche, where the wind pushes the water from the Cleveland side of Lake Erie up into Buffalo, so the water level goes down there, the water level comes up here because of the push of the wind across the water, pushing it right into Buffalo. And so that's leading to lakeshore flooding issues through Saturday evening. We've got the blizzard warnings up through Sunday morning, so we have to keep that in mind as well as winter storm warnings for the southern tier in Wyoming County through Monday morning because of the fact that the lake snow will persist. Skywatch 7, and it's just mayhem out there. 7 degrees right now, feels like it's 16 below with 29 miles per hour of wind, and we're looking at the Arctic air. You can see we are in the depths of it as that storm explodes to our north, to the north of North Bay. There is the band of snow that is just persistent. It is just stuck in place over Buffalo right now into eastern Erie County as well. We go in for a closer examination and look at some towns here. You can see Amherst, Cheektowaga, West Seneca, East Amherst, east all the way into Alabama and Pembroke. Even Wheatfield, you're picking up on some of that heavier snow, North Tonawanda as well. And again, the band just persists for many hours overnight and into tomorrow morning. Again, still blizzard conditions and still dealing with persistent heavy lake snow right through a good chunk of your Saturday. The band not really shifting further south beyond the south towns until sometime early Sunday morning. Let's see if we can find some relief in the Super 7-day forecast. Again, Christmas Day still windy. Gradually the wind's still relaxing though as we go through the day. Still very, very cold. Still dealing with blowing and drifting of snow on the ground because it is so fluffy. So ground blizzards will likely persist. Areas of lake snow on Monday still cold. Starting to get better on Tuesday. And then temperatures moderate by the middle of next week. And we'll be right back. Stay with us.